Hi everyone and welcome back again. For those who've journeyed with us this far through the two videos, I hope you have noticed the steady transformation of our Simba to where we are now. If you have not been with us, you can check our other two previous videos and see how we all started to now. Today we are doing the boundary for our space. We have planted some decorative fence plants around our house to direct at least every movement to the house. We hope with the good weather that we have around, they will grow well. Now that we are done with the structure and the roof, our next phase is now piping for drainage and electricity. These are done to ensure when the plastering is started, there's no more digging on the floor or walls. The next phase is now just plastering to make sure all the pipes and inside of the house is well covered and smoothened. Yeah, with the plastering now taking shape and at least with the leveling of the wall and the floor of the house, the final details, at least the house has now started taking shape. And even the small bathroom and the toilet also with the finishing all done. But now it's left with a few sections for the tiling of the wall.
Udanukaga mutieki yote eba eh apangu apangu chon eh utima timaga kutimo
As all this is going on, we're also working on the outside drainage, on how to dispose of waste from the house, which is key. We need to separate and dispose of the waste from the kitchen sink, hand wash sink, and also the toilet. For this type of disposal, the best option we opted for is the Biodigester. It's the best because you will never waste, you will never have to hire an exhauster to remove the waste.
Here we have the sock pit.
It has enzymes that is put on it, which in turn dissolves all the waste and convert them to liquid form, which in turn overflows and disposed to the ground through an overflow pipe, making it last for well over years. We make manholes to help during blockage. Time after time, when you have things that are blocking, at least the manholes are where water used to separate or to remove anything that might be blocking the system. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel for more videos. See you again on our next video.